Do the nice epic video shot. Look at all that. That's the sun. So here we are. We are up by Horse Thief Campground up 313. Yeah, headed towards Dead Horse Point. So we're unloading here. We're gonna race in and get the Jeep, drag it over here, put it on the trailer, and send Mike and the Jeep to the shop, and I'll drive the wrecker back home. So here we go.
How's it going?
Good, you?
Good.
Go ahead and pop the hood real quick. All right.
Fuel pressure test.
No,
I'd say she passed.
no, we're getting it. Go ahead and start it up. See if it'll start. I'm betting if we pull codes on it, it's gonna say random misfire, and I'd almost guess your coil pack.
You think it's got coil pack going on?
Yeah. We've got a trailer up the road,
Okay.
and we can run it back to the shop, do a diag on it,
Yeah.
and try to get it fixed up. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah. If you want to go ahead and drive it for a bit, if it dies, we'll drag it over to the trailer.
Okay, works for me.
Hang on a second. The way it's doing that, I want to check one other little thing.
At least it did it when you were standing here. It always, you guys are mechanics, you know. You bring it
Oh
to the
yeah.
shop,
It immediately
do it.
stops doing whatever.
Yeah, I'm kind of leaning towards either the coil pack or the crank position sensor. The way it's in and out and jumping, I'm kind of leaning towards the crank position sensor. If you can get it to right up here, then we'll throw a strap on it.
Sounds good, buddy.
Just to make it easier.
You know, just hook it to the.
Ah, yeah, that'd be perfect. Once again, the Yankum rope.
I was gonna hook up to the D-ring to see if it wouldn't do the clank, clank, clank.
Ah,
But
still might.
I don't think there's.
I don't know there's much difference between the noses.
It's just a. Oh, that's your truck there?
Yeah, that's my pickup.
Perfect. Well then, Mike, you want to just jump in there?
Okay.
And we'll go throw it on the trailer and get it to the shop?
All right. We can do this.
All right. Thank you.
See ya.
Back into town. For this job, it was just quick and easy to run up here and grab it. And I didn't want to bring the gooseneck. I didn't want to hook up the gooseneck to drag it up here. So just brought Mike with the trailer, and then we're close enough to town I can drive the wrecker back to town. This little spot right here, you can see the free-range dinosaurs out playing. This is a pretty cool place. This is a dinosaur museum here. So anyway, here we go. We are at, where are we at?
Top of the world.
Dewey Bridge.
Dewey Ridge.
We're heading up top of the world, about halfway up the trail. Jeep Cherokee broke a leaf spring mount or a leaf spring hanger, something. It's broken, needs to be welded back together. So we have our mobile welder we're gonna take up there and go mobile weld it. Got Mike on the camera today. Hey. So, here we go. Like I'm struggling too much because I'm still in two-wheel drive.
Oh yeah.
But I don't want to lock the hubs
I believe we have found it. Elusive XJ Cherokee.
Do you think that can be welded back on there? And
Oh yeah.
So I figured I'd let you get out here and take a look at it and let me know whether it's something you can fix here, or if it needs to get done or what. So.
Usually those bolts are tighter. I'm wondering if we don't just take this off and stitch weld it all back in place.
Like the unibody part back to where it belongs, and then reapply all the other stuff.
Yeah, I think that would probably be our best bet. This is what holds the leaf springs in a Jeep Cherokee. This. It's almost like it's not attached to anything.
I think we're all waiting for the day when you actually fix your e-brakes.
Well, it's not a matter of fixing it. It's a matter of having one.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so we got our captured nut in place.
Look at that, Mike.
Hey, that is nice. Jeez, all better.
Considering what it is.
So do you drive something other than this truck?
I drive a Jeep. I wouldn't say I necessarily do it because I love Jeeps, but their track records are better for holding up for the types of trails we're on.
Well, you know, anything can break if you push it hard enough.
Oh, exactly.
You know.
Okay, what we were doing here is we were using geometry that I told my math teacher I would never use in real life. The key to success is more winches. This isn't really attached.
Oh, why'd you say that? Why'd you have to go looking for problems?
Is that one stripping off too?
Oh yeah. It's been sitting on this piece. There's no suspension. Yeah, we got to weld it. All right, Mike, bolt me.
back in action. So what we did, adjusted it back a few more holes.
Yeah.
So that it rides more
straight up and down.
More straight up and down to help.
Yeah, because the way it was riding like that.
Uh-huh.
Which I've got a lot of tension on this.
Okay, so it does need to have a little bit of an angle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And see, and so, but that's pushing straight up into that.
Okay.
Instead of pushing that way and just prying it away.
Okay.
We gotta get the lights in there. People love the lights.
People love the lights.
All right, right on time for the sunset. There it goes, down the road.
All right. Anyway, as I'm blinding myself, because I have a flashlight so that you can see me now. So, we're heading down top of the world. We got that all welded back together. He's gonna swing by in the morning and we're gonna put a couple brackets in there so that it keeps it from doing it again. Sounds like we've got another one first thing in the morning heading up, poison spider. So, run, run, run. Here we go. Thanks for watching. We appreciate the support. Catch you on the next one.
All right.
As I got all over the fucking...
Say hi, everybody.
Gotta do
Wait, did you just use that as a punch?
Yeah.
Okay, just checking.
Said the proper tool for every job. See, you need to not ask yourself, did I just use that as a punch? You need to ask yourself, did that just work as a punch?
Ooh.